Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DOVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't even state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day, so a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 17. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 17, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 17 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The party finally stopped today right up around the $18.15 mark. So 18.15, give or take, a dime or so is going to be that overall level to keep an eye on going forward. If the price can push through 18.15, the next key level of resistance after that, well, that actually makes perfect sense why this price is struggling around there. Why do I say that? Well, going way back in the chart's history, you can see that's the exact spot it was rejected from before. So not saying this 18.15-ish area can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes a whole lot more sense now going back through the history of things on why that price is struggling up around that area. But on the flip side of that, it also becomes apparent that, yeah, that 18.15 is essentially a blue sky breakout. As you see there, the price has not been up this high for a very, very long time. So 18.15, definitely a very stubborn level, but that's also what I would call a blue sky breakout point. So let's see if the price can get up through that area or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.